Hello guys, welcome to Inoctors. As you all know, this is my first video, and in this channel I'll be sharing my experiences with you guys and what confusions and what dilemmas we have to go across, before getting into that NEET examination hall. So today I'll be talking about a really important thing, that is the new course launched by Alexa by Physics Wallah. As you all know, if you are a NEET aspirant, that's a must-watch channel. You should give it a try and see their videos. I personally love them, and till now I have been enrolled in their Umeed batch. To be honest, it was really good. Even though it's 2022, I feel it was relevant and I have learned so many things by revising from those videos. But today we'll be talking about NEET Crash Course 3.0 and whether to take sprint module with it or not. So luckily today my sprint module also arrived, because I enrolled in that crash course a week before that, like a week before, from now. So I got it today itself. So this is the unboxing video of sprint module and what are the things that I got. There's total 8 books in here. 2 books are of solutions and two books each are of chemistry, bio and physics. So if you want to buy or interested in buying this module, sprint module, for notes, then no, it's a big no. There's not enough notes, and you all know the value of NCRT by now. So for notes, I won't say that there is an extra trick or tips that will be there in the videos. In the NEET crash course videos, there are the tips and tricks, everything that you need to know. But if you're finding it and if you're thinking it that I will not join the course and I will just buy this book and every formula, tricks and tips will be there in this book, then no, there will be not. This book is best for question practices because the questions are based on NCRT, to be honest, and there is also 10 years BYQ questions as well. So this is the best for question practices while revising. And now coming to the video lecture, as I have attended today my first day of lecture of NEET Crash Course 3.0, and to be honest, like, it was amazing. I have learned so many tricks, and there were things that I was finding difficulty in, like there is some things that I would like to say, like the volume of gas or number of moles of gas. These are some minute things that I found it difficult, but then yeah, that was my mom, to be honest, just ignore. So that was the thing, and I learned basically many things. Okay, so they don't only tell you about the things, but they also tell you about the things where you can make mistakes. They tell you about the places where you can possibly make mistakes, or lose your time while calculating everything. So they give you short formulas, or how to do that thing, how to cross out options as well without even calculating. So that is a must have for the papers. So that is very important for the paper, to save the time and utilize it elsewhere. Okay, and also to make sure that the calculation is fast. So at that area I still lack, but I think I will make up by using these tricks because these are awesome. Okay, so to be honest, I would highly recommend to join if you're looking for a revision course. This is a must have. Okay, and you can also, if you cannot pay online or do this course, then you can as well do the Umeed batch course. That is also awesome. I still do that course because the teachers are awesome. Every video is awesome, to be honest. And apart from that, for questions you can also enroll with Aryan Raj Imsali if you know him. And yeah, I would highly recommend the module for questions, not for theories, but the classes highly 100%. So yeah, I will be seeing you guys in the next video. And to be honest, don't expect me to be really active on this channel because I have been caught up in the study, because 18 plus I only study today. I had some time left, so I recorded this video for you guys. And yeah, let me know what you think about my opinions. And also